everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to crochet granny square sleepers. So for that you will need a yarn. I'm using a multicolor yarn which is 3 ply yarn and navy blue color yarn. You will also need a hook size 3.5 mm. You can use hook which suits your yarn and pair of scissor and needle to sieve your ends. Before we get started though, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you like my tutorial, press the bell button to get a notification of new videos. So let's start crocheting. We'll start with a magic ring or a magic loop. Hold the yarn in this manner into two fingers and take a hook and make a loop. Then work chain 1. This is magic loop or a magic ring. The chain 1 is a part of a magic loop. Now we will start crocheting our chains. Chain 3. First 3 chain will count as one double crochet. Then work double crochet through the center of the loop. One, and work one more double crochet through the center of the loop. Hence 3 double crochet we have worked. Then add chain 2. Now again we will work 3 double crochet through the center of the loop. 1, 2 and 3. Then add chain 2, 1 and 2. Work 2 more time 3 double crochet plus chain 2. Three double crochet plus chain 2, 1 and 2. Last time 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3 plus chain 2, 1 and 2. Then pull the end of the yarn and work slip stitch through the third chain 1, 2, 3. Starting first 3 chain into the third chain, work slip stitch. Here we complete our first round. You can see the square how it looks. Now second round, chain 3, which we will count as one double crochet. Then into the next stitch work one double crochet. In next stitch one double crochet. Now in chain 2 space we will work 2 double crochet, 1 and 2 plus chain 2. Then again 2 double crochet in the same chain 2 space. We have worked 2 double crochet plus chain 2 plus 2 double crochet in chain 2 space. Then in next 3 stitches of double crochet, work 1 double crochet in each stitch, then again in chain 2 space work 2 double crochet plus chain 2 plus 2 double crochet, then in next 3 stitches work 1 double crochet in each stitch, now continue the same stitches and complete the second round. At last work slip stitch through the third chain. We will continue the same stitches for each round. In the double crochet stitch we will work 1 double crochet in each stitch, and in chain 2 space 2 double crochet plus 2 chain plus 2 double crochet, the same stitches which we have worked for first and second round. Then in next double crochet stitches in each stitch we will work 1 double crochet in each stitch, continue the same stitch throughout the round and complete the round. Then remaining this stitches work 1 double crochet and then into the third chain work slip stitch, we will repeat the same stitches, that is same double crochet stitch for each round and increase the round. See, I have worked total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Total 11 rounds I have worked. Now I will change the color with a navy blue color. You can use any color. You can use one color or two color. It depends on you. Take a yarn with a slip knot and work the same stitches which we have worked till now, starting with chain 3, then in each next stitch work 1 double crochet, and in chain 2 space 2 double crochet plus 2 chain plus 2 double crochet. In this manner complete the round. We will work 3 rounds of dark, that is navy blue color. At last fold the square in this manner. Now we will sieve the from this side to this side. Well, sieve means we will just give a slip knot in each stitch. Insert the hook into the back loop of opposite fold and work slip stitch in this manner in back loop of both folds, that is both sides. We will take that two loops and work slip stitch. In this manner, continue the slip stitch. We will stitch to till this last corner. You can see the fully only the remaining part, that is half part of one side, which we will fold in this manner. And here we complete a very easy sleeper. Even beginners can crochet this. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like the video, share the video, and have a nice day. Bye bye.